Congratulations to the USD Golden Spikers for beating the UP Fighting Maroons in straight sets. The Golden Spikers now have a 9-4 record with Coach Ben Mape, JJ Macam, and Josh Ibanez. Coach Ben, congratulations for this victory. Good preparation to heading towards your final three match against NU on Sunday. So ano man sabi mo sa pinakitang effort ng team today, especially, yun nga, papasok ko tayo sa mabigat na laban para makapasok kayo sa finals.
First of all, salamat sa inyo. Thank you, Lord. Yung preparation namin towards the last game namin going to this tournament, medyo intense sa ginawa ng mga bata. Natuwa kami mga coaches kasi yung mga pinagpraktisan namin during the Holy Week break, nakita naman namin even though hindi pa siya yung ganun kapinis or not so perfect at all, pero may improvement pa kaming i-adjust towards the game namin sa Sunday and approaching the semis.
Thank you to JJ. He has 8 of 15 attacks, 3 service aces, 9 interceptions, and 3 digs. So, yun na nga, very good win to heading towards sa final elimination round match against NU sa Final Four na yun. So, what do you think ng mindset ng team right now, especially, ito na, malapit na yung mga critical na laban para makabalik kayo ulit sa finals?
Siguro yung nakikita ko pong mindset namin is nakapokus kami sa isang bagay na dapat naming ma-perfect. Like yung po namin, yung pagiging gel namin sa loob ng court as a team. Ayun po.
Thank you to Joshua, 12 of 25 attacks, 3 service aces, 10 excellent receptions. So, yun na nga, mukhang na-reset kayo nung Holy Week break at nga, ito yung naging resulta, panalo. So, ano yung mga magandang nangyari during the long break?
Actually, naging main goal namin nung Holy Week, nung break namin is to try to reflect kung ano yung mga bagay na pwede namin i-improve sa mga succeeding training namin. And ayun, I think we took and used the time naman na maximize namin siya na maayos. Nag-enjoy kami, nagnilay-nilay kami, and ayun, I think isa siya sa mga factor bakit maganda yung ginalaw namin today.
Thank you. The floor is open for question.
Okay, so Coach, you mentioned hindi pa rin po perfect yung game ng Golden Spikers. So ano na lang po yung kulang sa game ng laro ng Golden Spikers po?
Yung una, kailangan ma-perfect namin yung targeting namin sa service. Tapos pangalawa, mas ma-improve pa namin yung aming blocking. At the same time, yung attack namin maging smooth siya para mas lalong ma-intimidate or mabigyan ng decoy yung kalaban namin. So yun yung mga i-workout namin towards the last game namin sa second round and facing the semis.
So Coach, actually, chinek ko po kasi yung last year's Final Four po. And same people, pero this time nasa third spot yung USD. So what does that say na lang sa improvement ng team since yung last year's?
Yung system na ipina-adapt sa amin ni Coach, mas na-master ngayon ng team. Kasi last year, medyo nag-struggle pa kami to adapt it. Pero this time, mas mahaba yung naging preparation namin to adapt the system. At the same time, mahaba rin yung line of benches namin para mas makapagkaroon ng substitution na mas mahaba.
Coach, for double-digit scores ngayon, tas si Ducks 21 excellent sets. Gano'n ka na lang natutuwa sa pinapakita ni Ducks over the past few games na kahit straight sets lang yung sa mga panalo nyo, more than likely 18 excellent sets and pataas siya?
This time, pinagpapasalamat namin mabuti yung wisdom na nanggagaling kay Lord sa pagte-train sa bata. At the same time, yung commitment din ng bata to perform well doon sa mga instruction namin, sa pakikinig niya. At the same time, yung tulong ng mga teammate nila to give Ducks a boost para mas lalong maibigay yung excellent sets. Kasi ang advantage kasi namin doon, meron silang feedback sa bawat isa kung ano yung kailangang i-adjust ng individual player.
Josh, nung first round game nyo against NU, medyo limited ka pa kasi kagaya na sa injury. Gano'n ka na lang ka-eager bumawi this time around sa second round na, not only to avenge yung first round loss, but also, of course, to enter that Final Four with momentum?
For me naman, yung ang focus ko lang, and actually ang focus ng team is, ayun nga, kung kaya na, mas gustuin namin na manalo this time kasi para entering the semifinals, at least mas mataas yung moral ng team. And I think that will serve as confidence boost sa team. Right.
Siguro kung sino na lang gusto kong sumagot is like, may magandang chance na after ng game nyo with NU, sila rin yung i-face nyo sa semifinal. So gano'ng ka-important na lang yung next game ninyo para aralin yung game ng NU?
Actually, parang ang mangyayari dun sa game namin with NU is best of 3 match. Pero sa part nila, best of 3. Pero sa part namin, kailangan namin, we must win the 3 games. So, advantage sila sa amin. Pero as sabi nga nila, nandito na tayo, nabasa na tayo, liligo na tayo dyan para to do the best para sa team, para sa school.
Sa dalawang players na lang, how prepared are you na lang sa game against NU?
I think, we're always ready naman every game kasi na-equip kami ng coach ng proper guidance and ayun kung ano mga qualities na kailangan namin para manalo every game.
So, congratulations po ulit. Ayun nga po, I believe 5-game winning streak po kayo ngayon. And kakapalit lang ni Josh, the second round. Is it safe to say na just in time for yung Final Four, is Josh Ibanez in his full form na po ba ulit?
Yes, siguro. Actually, I'm dealing with something in my back this game and actually, di ko naman siya tinitake as an excuse or ginagamit as an excuse para hindi mag-perform ng maayos. And ayun, once na nasa court ako, I'm always trying to forget kung ano yung mga sakit-sakit ko and ayun, mindset lang, laban lang ng laban.
Congratulations, Coach Ben, Josh, and JJ. Thank you.
Thank you.
JJ, 25 something.
Thank you. Thank you po.